Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video today I'll show you how to install WordPress in your local machine. For those basically who are keen to learn WordPress, and for them who don't want to purchase domain and hosting at the very beginning. So this video will help you to learn WordPress from scratch. So for making our local server, we need XAMPP for web server. It's definitely open source, and we need another thing which is WordPress installer package. For downloading these two things, just simply we'll search XAMPP download in Google, and in another tab we'll write WordPress download. Here you go. We'll download XAMPP from the very first link, and we'll download the update version of XAMPP from here. It will start automatically after 5-6 seconds. If it's not coming in 5-6 seconds, then you can click here to download. Here we go. For now I'm closing this. I'm going to WordPress CMS package installer page here. So here is I need to tell you something about WordPress.org and WordPress.com. So basically, if you want to use this content management system from their end, then you have to go in WordPress.com. There you will get all inbuilt things. They will give you a subdomain, and like Wix, like any other website builder, you can build your website from here. But when you are looking for CMS or WordPress installer package, then you have to go to WordPress.org. I mean, in this website, you will get latest version from very top. Then you can download it from here. Then download. Yep, the download already started. After downloading both of the file, you are good to go. So for save some time, I have downloaded both of the files and I have already installed XAMPP. But as you know, installing all softwares are like same. Just you have to keep an eye on which folder the software is installing. So for installing XAMPP, we are using C drive and XAMPP folder. So if we install XAMPP software, this software will create a XAMPP folder in C drive. That's it. And then next you can finish installing this software. It will take several minutes. Let's run XAMPP software from our start menu. So we need Apache web server and MySQL service. So we will start both of these. Before we start this, I will show you something in our browser. When we will try to access our local host without configuring or installing XAMPP, this page will give us nothing. Like, as you can see, localhost giving us nothing. And as well as loopback IP, which is 127.0.0.1, is the same address of our local machine. All right, so it's not working. And then after starting Apache web service, let's refresh this page. See, this default web page of XAMPP is visible in our local host. What about phpMyAdmin. If you want to install your WordPress CMS, so definitely we need a database in our local machine. For that, when we are trying to go in phpMyAdmin section, see nothing is happening here. Why? Because of our MySQL service is not started. So we will start the MySQL service from here. As you can see, phpMyAdmin is now working. So where from these files are coming? From C drive, XAMPP, and then htdocs. These files are showing in our localhost. So if we delete all of these files, how will go to our phpMyAdmin page, right? Maybe some of you can ask this question. It's pretty simple. We can go, you can remember this location, which is localhost/phpMyAdmin. You can go directly from your browser, or there is another way. You can go to phpMyAdmin page from here. Like just simply you go here. Yeah, the same thing is coming here, right? So it's pretty easy. Now we will delete all the files from our htdocs folder. All right, okay. So now we'll refresh or we'll visit our localhost. See, there is no file is showing here. So we will create, just for a general understanding how Apache web server is working, just I'm creating a HTML file, and I will write a just simple code for a test website, test web page. All right. All right. And then I will reload the localhost. As you can see here, the page is visible. So this is how Apache web service works. If this not working, you have to check Apache service is started. Like if we don't start this Apache service, this localhost will not work. So sometimes you can face this issue. That time you just check Apache server is running. All right, all good. Now it's time to copy all of our WordPress installer packages from here. First of all, we will extract here to get all of files, and we will copy all of these files in the htdocs folder so that we can install WordPress in our local machine. All right, here you go. Control A, copy, C drive, XAMPP, and then htdocs. Here we'll delete this. We don't need this HTML file, and then paste all of the installer package. Will be here in a few seconds. Now it's time to reload our localhost. All files are not copied yet. See, all files are copied now. In the meantime, I'll create a database for our WordPress website from localhost / phpMyAdmin, right? Why we need database? Let's see. When we are going to install WordPress, we need these things, right? Database name, database username, password, host. Let's go. See, we need these things. So what we'll do, we will create a new database named WP test. Create. So database created. We'll see our user accounts, right? So this is the username, which is root, hostname local. You can create your own user by clicking here. All right, username, let's say WP_test_user. All right, I'm gonna copy this, paste, yep. Go. Here you go. We'll save this information. This is database, password, and username. Same. And the base name, WP test, right? Let's check again. WP test without underscore. Yep. So let's go. Our database name here, username, this one, like copy, paste, password, same. When you will export your database and you will import in your real server, you can change all the things. All right, so database host, localhost. Why this? See here in localhost phpMyAdmin, you can see server is our loopback IP, which is localhost. Right, let's go. It's asking for a site title, test website in localhost. Okay, it's WordPress in localhost. Okay, so username, WP user. Okay, username, we'll copy this to our text file, not to lose. Great. You can use your email address. It will take few seconds to set up. So here you can log into your admin panel, I mean in your dashboard, but now I want to show you. See, in localhost we have our WordPress CMS in our localhost, and definitely if you don't have any internet connection, if you don't have any domain, if you don't have any hosting, nothing gonna stop you to learn WordPress. You can install your WordPress CMS in your localhost. It's pretty simple. Very quickly, I'm repeating again, we need XAMPP web server, which is open source. You can download it from their website. And we need WordPress CMS installer package, which is open source. You can download it from their website also. Yeah, now you're ready to go. Like if you want to install any plugin, any theme, you can download it and you can install it in your localhost. This was user, this was password, right? Here you go. I'm gonna save this information. Here you can install any plugin, any theme, whatever you want. And then in another video, I'll show you how to upgrade your WordPress website from localhost to real hosting. So this is the thing. Very simple. It's pretty simple in few steps. Test. See? This was our first post by default. This second, yeah. Now you can customize your all PHP file. If you want to copy any theme to your localhost, just come here in XAMPP htdocs definitely, and after that WP content, come on themes. You can upload your theme files here directly. This is the another thing. You can upload your plugins here directly. No need to, if you don't want to install it from their marketplace, you can upload it by your own also. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you again. Till then, see you. Ta-da!